Cyber attacks are growing every day, and so is the need for strong cybersecurity. But did you know there are different types of cybersecurity, each designed to protect a specific area of your digital life? In today's video, we'll break down the major types of cybersecurity, simply, quickly, and with real examples. Let's get started. First up, network security. This focuses on protecting the connections between computers, your routers, switches, firewalls, Wi-Fi, and everything that keeps data moving. It stops hackers from sneaking into your system through your network. Information security, protecting your data. This protects the data itself, whether it's stored on your device or flying across the internet. Application security, protecting apps. This type covers security built inside the software. Endpoint security, protecting devices. With remote work exploding, endpoint security is more important than ever. Cloud security, protecting online data. Cloud security protects your data stored on services. Internet of Things, IoT security, protecting smart devices. IoT security ensures these devices don't become easy entry points for hackers. Operational security, how you use the data. Operational security, or OPSEC, focuses on the policies and procedures people follow when handling data. Disaster recovery and business continuity. This type of security ensures your business can recover quickly. And that's it. These are the major types of cybersecurity that keep our digital world safe. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more cybersecurity tips, and let me know in the comments which topic you want next.